Okay, so now that we created our model of our house, I'm going to show you how to do a three-dimensional axon. Now this is our working file for our three-dimensional house. I don't want to mess with this file, so I'm going to File, Save As, and I'm just going to save this as Exploded Axon. There we go. And that way, I don't have to worry about any of these files. And so this is actually one of the very reasons why I had everyone draw up your models the way I had you draw it up and components, so we can get to this stage and you can show off in an exploded view. Now we're going to go ahead and click this ISO, and I'm going to depress on my mouse wheel and try and get about a 45-degree angle here and here. And I'm going to guesstimate how straight this is just by looking at how straight the line looks. And then I'm going to use the Protractor Tool. Make sure it's on the blue. And let's just say, go right here. And it looks like it's at 39.6 degrees. So I need to turn it a little bit more. I want to try and get it at 45. So I want 45 on this side, 45 on that side. So let's try this again. That looks about right. Tools, Protractor. Make sure it's on the blue. 42. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. Erase. Try it again. Alright, that looks pretty straight. And what I'm looking for is there's no bends in the line at all. .43. Yeah. Erase. Let's try. I know it's bothering me, so I want to try and get it as accurate as possible. So hit Escape, go to Tools, Protractor, let's try again. 45.9, that's good enough. And so I want to keep it there. And I'm going to use the hand tool to adjust. And what I want to do is I'm going to hit the space bar and select this, hold shift, hit that, and then I'm going to move this straight up. And I'm going to move it vertically until I can see the first floor complete. Now I can zoom in and zoom out and I'm still at a 45-degree angle. And then I'm hit the space bar again, click off of that, and I'm going to grab these two. And again, move it straight up until I could see the second floor completely. And probably move this down a little bit. Nope, never mind. We'll leave it like that. And I don't know, oh, this flooring didn't go up, so I should move this up. Move. Actually, I gotta move all this up, so let me grab this, and this. Zoom out, move, and again, I'm going on the blue line. I want to make sure that I have all of it separated. So actually, yeah, I could do that. And I should probably see a little bit of a floor plan above, but I don't know. Oh, I know what happened. This was copied. This should have moved up. There we go. Actually, there it is right there. So let me move that down on the blue line. And there you have it. So this is the exploded view. I'm going to zoom in as much as possible. And if you go to camera, you can go to parallel projection, and that's an even better viewpoint. So let me move this even further up, and we'll fix this in the Adobe products. So that looks good. Let me use the hand to, I want to try and maximize the amount of space. So I'm going to click on this, and if you left click and hold and drag it, your mouse, it won't, the zoom won't be as jittery and jump as far. It's a lot smoother, and so that looks pretty good. I'm also going to change the style because I don't like the style. I'm going to go to hidden line like this, and that way when I take this into Illustrator, it looks a lot cleaner. And so go to styles and then go right here to hidden line. Wireframe looks cool, but it also can be distorted depending on, so I like hidden line. And then go to file, export, 2D graphic, and I'm just going to hit toss it on the desktop. JPEG is fine. I think you could do PNG or PDF. PDF is perfect. Export as PDF, and then that's it. This is your exploded axonometric view, and that's it. Make sure it's on parallel projection. The camera's on parallel projection and not perspective. And there you have it. Let me go ahead and pull up the file. Where to go? And there it is. And so it comes out all clean lines, and with Adobe products, these lines will convert, and so you can mess with these lines, and that's what we want. So make sure you save it to PDF so we can select it. And that's it.